Model, 61 plate Ford Transit 100 T350m Rwd single cab tipper flatbed dropside very long MOT. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 165762. MOT, the 18th of December 2025. Engine, 2401 cc TDCI 100 PS DURATORQ. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 3 former keepers, tipper in working order, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, Cat N in 2022. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.